kind of a weird video for y'all. I recently was going through under my bed to clean it out, vacuum, all that jazz, and I found this whole bin of stuff I thrifted about a year and a half ago. For those of you who haven't been around that long, I've recently really changed my thrifting philosophy, so I kind of used to just buy whatever I wanted whenever I wanted, and now I'm trying to be really intentional about what I buy and only buy things that I think I'll keep for a while or use or like know I can resell. So I think it would be really interesting and kind of fun to go through this bin of stuff that I bought a year and a half ago before I changed my thrifting philosophy and talk about would I have bought it now? Did I change how I thrifted? Am I still super excited about this piece? So with that, let's go ahead and hop into it. It's really heavy, so I'm gonna put it down so I can like look at each item. First up, I think this is still really cute. This is just a rayon shirt, just a tropical shirt. And I am gonna try things on for you guys and I'll be inserting that in. So here is this one. I have it tied because I'm trying to figure out, I would have definitely still bought this with the optimism of making it work, even though it's bigger on the shoulders than I like. I think this is one of my favorite tropical prints I've ever seen. I like this shirt, and I think I would have still bought this at the thrift store, but I will say that I still think it's probably just a bit of a stretch for me. Here I have a bunch of these. So I have this white one, I have a pink one, I have, I think some more. They might not show up till later. I remember buying these. I think I have a blue one and another two white ones. These I was not able to try on when I bought them, so I believe I actually need to try them on, and from what I recall, I didn't like the shape of these. This guy, what is this one? Ooh, this is pretty. I suspect this one won't fit the way I would desire, but it's this nice blush color, and so if it fits me, I would have probably still bought it. So far, none of these were things that were completely off base, but we'll see because I'm now significantly pickier with fit than I was. All right, this one surprises me in how much I like it. It technically doesn't matter where it sits on the shoulders because it's kind of dolmany. I like the details in this. I like the embroidery. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one a go in my wardrobe, and I think I would have still picked it up today, which kind of shocked me. I didn't think I would feel that way about this blouse when I put it on. Next up, we have this workout top. It's just bright and colorful and fun. I probably wouldn't have bought this now because it's been so long since I've worked out, so buying workout clothes is very optimistic of me, but I will still hang on to it with the optimism that maybe one day post-COVID I will return to the gym. Next up, it looks like we have a slip. While this is a really pretty slip, I do have slips that I like more, and this one is kind of more modern than a lot of my slips, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and declutter this one off the bat. And then here it looks like I also have a nude one. I do really like this nude one, and I think it will fit in well, and it's kind of more of the material I like, which is a nylon, so I do think I will hold on to this one. This guy here is really pretty. I need to try it on for fit. I think I would still buy this at the thrift store, and I think it's really lovely. From what I recall though, the fit might have been just a tiny bit off, so we'll have to check that out. All right, this one is definitely cute. However, I think as you can tell, it just goes too low on me, and so I would need to adjust it probably to hit me about here-ish for me to actually practically wear this, but I could wear it with a blouse underneath the other way, so I don't know. I will put this one in my wardrobe and think about it. It's definitely cute, it definitely fits, but I don't know if I would have picked this up just because it does need some adjustments or thought to wear. This I would not have bought. This is not a color that I like. I'm sure I bought it because it's really cool and well made. This one I think I'm gonna declutter, and this one I think I will for sure resell. So I'm gonna put that in the declutter pile. Here we have another one of these white shirts. This one looks like it's smaller and shorter. All right, this one here I think could be cute. It looks really not cute with a microphone put on it this way. I think it has potential, so I'm gonna stick this one in my wardrobe. The nice thing about these though is they are all lined, so they shouldn't be too uncomfy to wear. So yeah, I think I'll give this one a go. I can tell you from looking at them, I'm not gonna bother to try them on, that I'm just gonna say no to these two. Ooh, this looks really pretty. This one I think I would have still bought. I think I'm gonna have to steam it before I can even try it on for y'all. I really like this. I like the flutter. There was a rosette here that I already snipped off because I hated it. I might see if I can hem just a little bit of material off so I can make a little bow to go there. But I absolutely adore this, and this is an absolute keep for me. All right, we have some china. Okay, we do have the matching teacup for this one and the matching teacup for this one. I don't think I would have bought this teacup if I like was thrifting now. I think I have higher standards for teacups nowadays. I don't know, that's like such a weird statement to make. This guy here, however, I absolutely adore and would buy again. This one does not appear to have its matching saucer, which means I wouldn't have bought it normally. We're gonna see these, the two that I don't like as much I might declutter. Let's continue on into the clothing. This looks suspiciously like something I wouldn't have bought. I'll try this one on because I do like the colors and the fabric. I suspect already that it is too big for me and is not something I would have purchased now. All right, this one, really, really cute. However, I don't know that I would have picked it up because it is way too big in my shoulders, and I'm now just a little bit pickier in my blouses. However, I absolutely love this embroidery, and this will definitely be something I'll sell on my online shop. This is a very lovely bowl and a very good shape and size. I'm excited to add this into my dishware. I really like it. Has like these very subtle grapes in it, I guess. And so I would, I think, still pick this up. Ooh, I'm curious about this one. Oh, this one's cute. It's kind of 1940s style. Okay, something proportionally is weird in the arms of this blouse. I don't like it, I wouldn't buy it, and I will be getting rid of it. It might be for a child, I don't know, but like I feel like I really don't like how these arms fit. Next up, this is very interesting. I think this is a house robe. Yep, it is. I don't know how I feel about this one. I think I will throw this into my house robe rotation and I guess see if I like it. I recently made one kind of satiny like this that I think I'll like better, but I do like the lavender of it, so I will give this one another chance and I will put it into my house robe rotation. I'm not going to try that one on for you though. Oh, I know what this is. This is a very pretty black, white, and gray blouse. I really like it actually, and I think I might add some darts and stuff. I can tell you right now it's not going to fit, but I think I might add some darts and tucks to make it fit the way I want, because I do like this detailing in the collar enough. But I would have still, I think, normally passed on this at the thrift store. Next up, this is maybe promising if it's not polyester. It is polyester. So I don't think I would have picked this up because I do have some really nice silk shirts. I'm gonna go ahead and straight up declutter this guy because I know off the top of my head 2 silk short sleeve blouses in this color that I have that I'll be more inclined to wear than a polyester one. And it's hard to say because some of this is stuff that I've then found better versions of in the thrift store, so when I purchased them, they might have made more sense. Next up is this very cute little mason jar. It has little strawberries. I would have still picked this up. I love a novelty mason jar and I do jam in the summer. Oh, I see something I think I really like in here. Oh, this guy. This is very pretty. It's this very cute Western shirt. I'll try it on, but I have a hunch this will not fit me. This is adorable. I absolutely love it. It also is like too big on me, and so I'm gonna let this one go, which makes me sad. I would not have, I think, normally bought this except for to maybe resell it to make sure it didn't go to landfill. It just like, it doesn't hit me right, but it has everything I love in a Western shirt, and I want to throw a tantrum that it doesn't fit me. But my loss is somebody else's gain. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Hopefully it fits. This one I absolutely adore. This is a nice little 70s prairie dress. And I really like the primary colors, and the cut is really, really nice on me, so I'm for sure keeping this one and excited to drop it into my wardrobe. Yeah, this I would have absolutely thrifted now. And we have another one of these acrylic blouses. So we'll try this on. This one I would not have picked up. This is not very cute on me. It's definitely a little bit too big. I don't think I would have picked this up if I had been able to try it on. Oh, this is really lovely. I will try this on, I think, and decide to keep it or not. I also will mention some of this stuff. If I keep it and I put it in my wardrobe, I'm gonna be doing a closet clean out very soon, so it might still get the boot when compared to other things. I do really like the, I don't know if you can tell, it's very rainbowy. Well, this one is pretty cute. This is another one I'm gonna add to my wardrobe, but I'm not 100% sure about and might end up decluttered. But I do think the sparkles in it are really pretty. However, it's just a little bit baggier, I think, than I personally want. So we have some pins. We have this little garden pin. I definitely would have not picked this up now. I will keep it in my hoard and see if I wear it, but chances are I think I will declutter that one. Oh, we got some Pyrex, some small Pyrex. These are not brand name Pyrex, but they're little Tupperware containers that are glass, and it looks like I picked them up for $2. I'm really happy with that, and I'm gonna definitely hold on to these. I also have, I think these are some shoe clips that are kind of funky and fun. They are fun enamel looking shoe clips, so I will give these a go and add them to my wardrobe. I've actually never used a shoe clip because I haven't owned shoe clips, but apparently I do own shoe clips. And they were just hiding in this box under my bed. All right, here we have another tropical print. It's pretty. I can tell it actually probably fits me well. So I will give this one a go on fitting it and then decide if I want to keep it. This one fits really well. I really, really like the fit. I am not so sure how I feel about the color, but I think I'm going to give it a go and put it into my wardrobe. I don't think I would have bought this now, but since I do own it, I think I'm going to see if I can get it to meld into my wardrobe. Ooh, I feel something wrapped in this. Jeez. Okay. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little gift from past self. Definitely would have picked this up. This is really cute. I might put a plant in it. I might put like my laundry quarters in it or something, but I think this is absolutely darling and I really, really like it. The blouse, however, we'll see. I'll iron it. Everything looks terrible wrinkled. This one looks like it might actually fit my shoulders correctly. So I'm gonna iron it and see how I feel about it. This one, you'll maybe notice I didn't even bother to button all the way. I can tell you I do not like this piece and I would not have bought it if I was to find it in a thrift store today. I think I just bought it because it was fun and had some uniqueness to it and I thought I could maybe make it work, but now honestly I don't think I would take this one home. I do think it's cute and it has potential. I just can't see it fitting into my wardrobe. Oh, it looks like we have another slip and a bud vase. This is pretty. I don't think I would have purchased this now just with everything else in my collection. And then I have this plain white slip. I'll hold on to it for now and see how it fits into my wardrobe. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, this one I'll have to try on. It has promise. This is a nice black blouse with some pleating details in the front, and it's also kind of like a interesting patterned fabric. So I think I will try this one on and give it a shot and see if it's something I want in my wardrobe. This one I like. I like the way it cuts in here. I like the way the cuff hits, and I do think I still would have picked this up in the thrift store now. And then this is a very fun bag that I guess I picked up at some point. I will for sure be keeping this. This is something I would still have picked up. Definitely not vintage, but it looks pretty well made. This I would have definitely not bought now. It's like a nice glass and all, but I have plenty of glasses and there's not really that much special about this one. We have a jar. This is a cute jar, but I also don't think I would have picked this up now. I do think I'll declutter this. This is also a maybe declutter. This one's a maybe declutter. This one is a maybe declutter. Next up, I would have definitely not thrifted this one. Actually, it's kind of cute. It has like this like zipper in the front that's like kind of sparkly and fun. I think it's hilarious, but I'm kind of into this one. I think this would have been one that I felt iffy about and tried on and then absolutely fell in love with it. I think this is darling. I really like this sparkly zip that's kind of tacky. So yeah, I think I actually would have still bought this one. Ooh, okay, these I would have still thrifted. I actually have a set of bigger bowls with this exact same China pattern. And so I think I would have still thrifted these. And then these are little like kind of dip guys that I'm excited about. Ramekins, I guess. Okay, we're getting in there. Ooh, it looks like we have a black slip. I'm actually excited about this because I've been wanting some black slips. I have like two, but one of them is kind of ruched up in the bust, so I can't wear it under everything. This one looks like it's not. So I'm pretty excited about this, and I think that was a good call for me. Ooh, what is this? We've got, oh, I remember thrifting this. Fine, I would not have thrifted this now, and I'm gonna actually de-stash it. It has these two little cardinals on it that are kind of cute. And then, let's see, oh, look at this plate. This is pretty. I guess I thrifted this plate, which I absolutely love, and I'm excited to use. I think I would have still picked this plate up. Woo, we have also a really pretty, like, porcelain frame with painted flowers. I think I would have still picked this up, and I think I still like it. These were also done over quite a few thrift trips. Like, I don't think these are all, like, the product of one thrift trip. I think they were just a bin that I was keeping to, like, remember to do a haul video, and it just, like, never happened. This is pretty. I actually remember buying this set, and I've been looking for this set, and here it is. It is polyester, unfortunately, and kind of scratchy. So I don't know how I'll feel about it, but I will try it on. I think this one is really cute. The one thing is the shirt desperately needs a lining or something. It is pretty itchy and uncomfy inside. However, I think this is really cute. I think I would have picked this one up for a thrift store. However, I did find price tags that say I paid $30 for this, which is wild. Definitely wouldn't pick this up for $30 now. Ooh, I remember this sweater and I've been looking for it too. This is a really beautiful, I don't know if this is a knit or a crochet. It has like a bunch of knots in it and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a silk, nylon, and rayon and cashmere, which is some of my favorite materials in a sweater, and I think This color is nice because of the holes. It would have to be layered with a shirt under it. That could be a brighter color. That would make this feel a little less beigey, weird skin tone for me. So I will try this on and I'm excited to show you. I think this was a really cute purchase and I've been looking for it. And you know, if I've been looking for something I thrifted, that it was absolutely a mindful purchase. I adore this sweater. I think this sweater is perfect, especially with a button up underneath. I think it will be absolutely adorable with a lot of different skirts and things. And after putting some of these other things on my body, this one feels so nice and I really am enjoying the way it feels and I'm pretty happy with it. So I think I would have still bought this one because the knit is just so spectacular and unique. This one here, I will try on just to see if I love it. I actually remember this. I let a friend talk me into buying this and now I'm not sure if I want it. This one I feel a little bit conflicted about, so I am going to put it in my closet, but I think there's a pretty big chance I will declutter it in the next closet clean out. All right, let's look at this. Oh, I know what this dress is and I'm not keeping it. And then this is a butter dish. I actually have a much more beautiful pink butter dish that I thrifted while in Pennsylvania. And while this is a beautiful butter dish on its own, I don't need it and I'm going to pass that along to somebody. This here is like kind of a Y2K type dress. It's like fine, but I can definitely tell you I won't wear it. I remember this fit me well and that's actually why I bought it, but I can tell you that while it's cute, it's just not something that'll stick around in my wardrobe. So that was a very mindless purchase and I'm gonna pass that one along. Oh, look at this little teacup. This is cute. It's this little blue teacup. I really like the shape of this cup and I do like it and I think I would have still picked up this teacup. This is another shirt that I remember. It's like the Cardinals but with sunflowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this one along. I know it's not something I'll wear now. And ooh, what is this? Well, so we have another mason jar that I can put jam in, but this was what I saw that I was excited about because look at all these ruffles. I think this one's okay. I don't know that I would have purchased it in the thrift store, but I do think it's cute enough that I do want to try to make it work, and it is close enough on the shoulder. The shoulder should realistically probably be about here and they're over here, but I think I can make this one work. Oh, a last couple things. This is another frame like this frame, and I can tell you I definitely would have picked this frame up. I think this is really lovely and it matches a lot of the colors in my home perfectly. Oh, it's getting sunny and beautiful out. Oh my gosh, this light. I haven't had light like this in months. This I adore. This is a blazer. The wool itself is colorful. Like it has some blues and pinks and greens. Like it's kind of rainbowy almost. Let's see if I show you guys the back, if you can get any more of that. I would have definitely still picked this up. I absolutely love the texture in it. It's fully lined, it's well made, and it makes me feel cute and pretty, and I just really like this. And we are to the end of the box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this weird trip down memory lane. This was very interesting for me. I've definitely become a much more mindful thrifter. However, not all of these were as off base as I kind of expected. All right, let's quickly talk numbers. For the things that I just straight up decluttered, I straight up decluttered 18 items. These were items I definitely would not have bought in the thrift store if I was going today because of like my mindfulness practice. I also have 20 items that I probably wouldn't have bought, but I'm gonna try to make do. These just are items that I probably would have just passed on at the thrift store. I would have probably like tried them on or whatever and not been super excited about them, and so I would have still left them at the thrift store, but I still think I can make them work. And then there were about 20 items that I was genuinely very excited about that I would have still bought at the thrift store and I'm absolutely keeping and excited about. So that about rounds up the numbers, and it was really an interesting thing to see what past me bought at the thrift store before I kind of changed my practices around thrifting. I'm really proud of how far I've come on becoming a little bit more mindful in my thrifting. And I hope that this inspires you guys to change how you thrift as well and make sure you're bringing home things that you want. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, definitely post a comment or like this video. It really helps me in the algorithm. And if you want to stick around and see more of this type of content, definitely hit the subscribe. I would love to have you around, and I will see you next time. Bye!